Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. Before starting, we'll again go with the small disclaimer. The video that we're going to see right now is purely and purely from the educational standpoint, and there's no investment advice or any recommendation, trade recommendation that's going to be given in this entire video. It's just purely for educational purpose. This video is for the global webinar and global clients. So whichever country that you are seeing this video from, please make sure that you abide by the rules and regulations of your country. And with that, let's start with our outlook on gold and other precious metals. So last week we had also made a video and we had also posted this on our Telegram channel. And currently, if you see, gold is in a sideways range. It has not been able to break any of his resistance levels so far. So this was the resistance mark that time. और हमने इसका जो पोस्ट भी किया है उसमें हम लोग ने इसको फॉलोअप सेशन में दिया है कि मल्टीपल रेजिस्टेंस लिए हैं. अभी भी रेजिस्टेंस उसी रेंज के पास है. मतलब जो ऊपर का रेंज है वो कंसिस्टेंट है और उतना एग्रेसिव बाइंग कहीं पे दिख नहीं रहा है गोल्ड में. अगर नीचे के लेवल्स की बात करें तो जो सबसे नजदीक के लेवल्स है वो 4870 का जो रेंज है इस रेंज के पास है. सो वी हैव नीदर टच द रेजिस्टेंस, neither touched the support levels on the lower side, and we have neither broken the resistance on the upside. So that is what has been currently being the outlook. So इसमें एक्सपेक्टेशन ये हो सकती है, पॉसिबिलिटी हम बोले तो, कि पूरा जो वीक है वो कुछ ऐसे ही जो ब्रॉडर रेंज है उस ब्रॉडर रेंज के बीच में बिका सकता है कमोडिटीज, जो स्पेशली गोल्ड है. और अगर गोल्ड यूजुअली साइडवेज में होता है तो बाकी सारे जो पेयर्स है वो भी यूजुअल केसेस में रेंज बाउंड होते हैं. सो वी ऑल्सो हैव वन मोर सपोर्ट ओवर हियर. सो वी हैव अ वेरी लार्ज रेंज when we talk about the demand supply level also. So we are in a range from all the aspects, even if we talk about trend lines or even if we talk about demand supply. So it's purely a range bound market. So not a good action for trend following guys. But yes, this is probably a good point for people who are more into mean reverting or buying low, selling high, buying low kind of a setup. So this is about gold, and let's see what's about with silver. So silver is also on the same case based on our previous analysis that we had done. We were expecting a range, and it is kind of in a range only as what the gold is currently doing. So we are seeing a range again in silver that is around 84.96 to 86.36, and the lower range that we have is 73 now, 73 to 71.50. So that is the range that we are looking at. We have been holding and roaming around the same range which we had marked in our previous analysis video. So that's about silver. Again, there's no big range we can see. Only big breakouts can happen once we see these trend line breaks, which is currently not the case. So let's see what happens moving forward. So it's all a wait and watch scenario if we talk about silver and gold as of now. We'll also check platinum and palladium just to get a more idea. So let's look at platinum and palladium. So this is palladium right now, and the same outlook that we had on gold and silver. There's a consolidation range, and the range that we are looking at these two at the palladium price, it's somewhere around 1735. On the lower end we have 1627. If we break the 27 mark, then probably the next line of support would be at 1550. So let's see what happens. Where do we break the range, and what all activities take place once we have the breakout. We'll obviously cover this thing in a post follow-up session in our Telegram channel also. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please give a comment and we'll send you the link right away. So this is about, again, the sideways scenario. Let's look at platinum also. And platinum is also showing us the same situation, same consolidation part, and we are doing the same thing over here. So we'll have to again analyze where do we break out. So I think gold would be the most deciding factor over here. Once we see a breakout in gold in either direction, then we'll have a follow through in platinum and palladium also, and also in silver. So it is like a wait and watch situation. We are having a completely tight range between 2180 and 2010. So let's see where do we get a breakthrough, and based on the breakthrough, we'll get a proper picture and a proper idea where all levels we could head to. So on the breakdown, definitely we have this level where we can touch base, and if we have a breakout, then probably these are the levels where we might see a touch base on the upside. So that's about platinum. So overall, if we look at the data right now in overall scenario, it's completely a sideways trend, and the entire week could also be in the range itself. So let's see what happens, where do we see the breakout and where do we see the turnaround. So that's it about today's video. Make sure that you subscribe and like our channel as well, so that you don't miss this important information and all these insights which we cover on day-to-day basis. So with that, thank you so much, and see you again soon in our next video.